recording, DVR recording, onboard DVR recording. Not too short-sighted with my on-screen display there, guys. I do apologise. It doesn't actually look that well set up, but that's okay. I've been using this for a fair while, so let's take off and see what happens. RSI around 30, not too sure what's going on there. Let's just see how far our DVI VTX travels. I think that's probably long enough. Go down the valley here, shall we? Hopefully the footage turns out fairly well. I do recall this DVR recording really nicely. A bit of a buzz by. Very smooth fly with the Gemfan Props on. I do know when you do punch outs with this thing it depletes the battery in no time, so I'm just going to take it easily and slowly. Let's get down in the trees there and see if we can do some slow flying. In fact, there's a nice little cave there. Dropping out of VTX there because I'm hiding behind some rocks. Okay, let's go right down the valley and see if we can do some slow flying through those trees. This is going to end badly, guys. I can just see it now. Yep, there's a tree right there. There's a bit of a track down there. I'm going to try and get down to it. Not too much of a canopy there. Let's try over here, shall we? Yeah, the battery's not lasting long. This does chew through the battery. Let's see if I can head over here by this green patch and lower myself down slowly there. And that's what you call really lucky. I have managed to crash myself into the canopy, and underneath the canopy, which is exactly where I want to go, so I can show you guys how smooth you can fly with this thing. Like I said, I believe you still can purchase one of these, albeit a slightly up-spec one, which is good. Trying to get down to that little creek bed down there. Here we go. This is where I want to go. Not really a cruiser, but you can cruise with it, which is good for some slow flying practice. Just got to get out of here now. Low battery. Just need to head back home now. I'm used to flying with GPSs. Need to find where I am now. I think I'm over here somewhere. Uh-oh. We're near the road anyway. Yeah, I'm down there. Okay, guys. I've got no timer on, so I've got no idea how long this lasts for, but I think we should probably land it pretty soon. Otherwise I'm going to be going for a walk. Our DVR is still recording, so just push the button there, which will stop our DVR from recording. Quick line of sight, guys. lots of fun. You can fly them in confined spaces. Not too expensive. And yeah, you can have a hell of a laugh. Thanks guys, thumbs up. See you soon. Take it easy. Bye for now.